Dithda. Hello everybody. Dithda Cabernet. Alan's not here. Alan's at Celtic Connections. And Jen's stopped in for us tonight. Anybody read Great Expectations? Yeah. Excellent. So Mish Havisham, what a fantastic character. Perfect for this song. And there's a refrain in this song that you can join in with if you like. It's the last line of each verse. It goes, "In Ifan Leski Bith." It's a really useful phrase. You can use it all the time. It means forever burn in hell. Spot it, Georgia. You can dance too.
Praise you, Gillisbell, our Hunros Ren, I tove them am Cara, Rovanes Pardel Ven, Mes tremmen hier in termini vendem ovi, Pana tragedies, Avod mes am pen in Zatra in rag, Nas weather and clock hoggen nithin stag, Kill them that la teddy riki Fiji with in Ifan Leski Biff. Han rod tänk I sig wath, il ter dictier yn pain. Gas fydd a welys mor bleg, a rwgan biwnans dda bod reg. A bod mes am gos cedge i'n cerch, mir mes a dal fo holon din erch, gil fendad la teddi a hwmros y fydd, in Ifan Leskis Biff. In Ifan Leski Biff.
Congrats, ladies and gentlemen.